Ya Ahlal Kitab, O people of the book, Ta'alaw, come, ila kalimatin sawaim baynana wa baynakum, that we come to common terms as between us and you.
Thomas Carlyle, one of the greatest thinkers of the past century, he delivered a series of talks in England, and among his hero prophet, he chose our Nabi Kareem Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Not David as his hero prophet, or Solomon, or Moses, or Jesus. He chose the holy prophet Muhammad as his hero prophet. And in paying a tribute, he says, to the Arab nation, it was a birth from darkness into light. This new revelation, new message. It was a birth from darkness into light. Arabia became first alive by means of it. A poor shepherd people, roaming unnoticed in its desert since the creation of the world. So see, the unnoticed becomes world notable. The small has grown world great. Within 1 century afterwards, Arabia was at Grenada, that's in Spain, on one hand, and at Delhi on the other. Glancing in valor and splendor and the light of genius, Arabia shines over a great section of the world. He says, belief is great, life-giving. The history of a nation becomes fruitful, soul-elevating, great, so soon as it believes. Is it not as if a spark had fallen, one spark on a world of what seemed black, unnoticeable sand? But lo, the sand proves explosive powder, blazes heaven high from Delhi to Grenada. This is what the message did, overnight. In decades, what the Roman Empire took 1,000 years to build, within decades, they built an empire greater than that of Alexander the Great, greater than that of Rome. What did it? Is this new, revitalizing message. The message of Islam did the job, changed, transformed the nation.